Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Practical Baddie. I am Janae and today I will be bringing you guys another DIY. No, it has nothing to do with my closet today. It has everything to do with my makeup vanity. So as you can see right over my makeup vanity, it is like super empty, it's super clear, and it's the first thing that I wake up and see. As you can see, that's my bed over there. Yeah, with like stuff on top of it. Don't judge me, okay? Like, do not judge me. So now I'm just so tired of this space that's above me that now it's time to make it look all pretty, glitzy, glammy, make it look all sparkly, okay? So I hope you guys are ready because I'm super excited about it. Stay with me. To get started on my project, I will be heading to Michael's to get a few supplies like acrylic paint. The canvas were half price, which was just perfect for my pockets. And the sponge brushes was 40 cents. Hi, Alyssa. Back at home, I transferred every letter from Paint separately into Word. Every letter would have their own page, and that's just so I can print it out into huge letters. And now to play the waiting game for everything to print out. And of course I need more ink in my printer, so that's why things are going to start looking a little bit sketchy, which is why you should pay attention to the next steps. Of course, always start off with a blank canvas, and you're gonna need scissors to cut out all the letters individually. After cutting out all the letters, I like to measure the center of the canvas just so I know where to place the letters. After knowing exactly where my center is, I will draw 2 lines just so I know exactly where to place those letters. After I finish drawing the lines, then I measure up all of the letters, and you see some are bigger than what the actual lines are. And then what I did was just resize them and cut them down, and now all the letters match. To glue down the letters, I will be using Podge and that sponge brush that I bought earlier, and I'll just be using a disposable bowl that I use for other paint projects. I will just apply the Mod Podge to the back of the letters, and you want to use a generous amount just so those letters can stick down and they don't lift back up. When doing projects such as this, you always want to take your time and just have patience while doing it. The more patience you have, the better your projects will come out. For a project like this, I would definitely work from edge to edge, meaning that I will put first one letter on one end and then another letter on the other, and that's just so the letters have equal amount of space. What I love about DIY projects is that if you mess up, guess what? It's a DIY project, so you could take that little blemish and make it into something extraordinary. This is what the letters look like before I started painting them black. Once again, do not worry about going outside the lines because with the glitter being put on, you can cover any blemishes. As you can see, I've already applied glitter to the other side of the canvas, so I'll just recap exactly what I do. I take the Mod Podge and I spread it on with the sponge brush, and I make sure to evenly distribute the glue I will then take the glitter and sprinkle it wherever I laid the glue down. I did put down paper to catch all of the glitter, and I put a big enough paper so it was like super easy for me to fold and dump back into the glitter container. Am I the only evil thinker that would think that a gust of wind would come out of absolutely nowhere and blow all of this precious glitter away? You only think about things like that when you're running out of something, and I was definitely running out of glitter. I just love absolutely everything about glitter. I love the way that it's just sitting there and it's just sparkling without even trying to sparkle. Ugh, I just love me some glitter. I'm just making sure that no spot goes uncovered. After letting it dry overnight, I will tap that board again for any excess glitter that might come off, and I'll just take a sponge brush and brush off those black letters, making sure that there's no glitter on it. So off camera, what I'm doing is just simply spraying the board with a clear gloss to lock in that glitter. To hang the canvas, I needed rope, I needed nails, screwdriver, and picture hangers, and also a hammer. I tied 2 knots at the end of the rope and then used the nails to attach them to the canvas. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe and definitely just hit that like button.